Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Ai WebCore review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Ai WebCore. So this is an Ai WebCore review. Right now we are on the sales page and we have the demo as well here on the page, this page itself. So it says now 30 seconds is all that you need to create a stunning website. Futuristic Google DeepMind AI technology creates automated high converting websites in just 30 seconds. I want to know the meaning of this. High converting websites. Websites are websites. What are they going to convert into? So for example, this Ai WebCore.live is a website, it's a sales page I am right now at the moment. So it's gonna convert into something or what? Is it like Transformers? You're gonna convert into some big cars? So high converting websites in 30 seconds that you can sell for the top dollar in hottest niches. Skip hassles to directly dominate trending niches like fitness, dating, pets, self-improvement, technology, affiliate marketing, finance, and countless others instantly. So technically, in simple words, you will be only getting some templates, and you can create websites and you can sell those websites theoretically, hypothetically to somebody as if somebody will know and buy something from you, and you can make so much money in your dreams only. Okay, all okay. So let's not waste my time here, because step 1 is grab Ai WebCore, step 2 is fill in some quick details, step 3 is publish. Okay, so I believe that this website will be published on their subdomain. Don't expect much with this. Okay, so I'll show you the demo video. After watching the demo video, if you want to buy this, go and buy it, no problem, make me some money. Okay, everything else is your fake money, screenshots, reviews, everything is fake. You will not make any single penny. You will only make some templates and websites. And as I said, if by some miracle you can find somebody who will buy this from you, then only you might make money hypothetically. I will never give any shit to all this nonsense. Okay, nothing is $17 will make you any single penny. Get that? We have the demo video. Okay, so you'll have to scroll the website until like 60% to get to this demo video so that you can watch it. Otherwise, I'll show the demo video right now. But if you want to come to the sales page, you will find a link below my YouTube video. In the description, it will be saying grab AI or copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the page. And now let me show you the demo video. Is it playing? Is it on? How do I touch it? Oops, let me see if I can fix this. So play, and then go here, and then here. Watch it. Okay, by the way, they do not have any voiceover, so nobody is explaining what they're doing here. So you just have to watch, observe, and understand everything on your own. If I feel like I will speak, otherwise I'll take a break for 2 minutes. Yep. You don't make money by buying, you make money by selling. The way you sell is you come and make a YouTube video even if you're just awake from your bed. That's how it is. I'm talking to you, don't worry. I'm not talking to anybody here in my room. I'm talking to, this is the part of the video actually. Don't worry. I got to impress no one, okay? Yeah. And let me remind you once again, I am only making this video for the sake of this review. I am only doing this review for the sake of making video, for the sake of making this video, nothing else. Okay, nothing else matters. I come on YouTube. YouTube pays me when you watch my ads. Okay, so you have seen some ads in my YouTube video. My money is made. I don't care about anything else. Okay, plus I have other methods which makes me money, so I don't really give a shit if people buy from me or not. So that's how you got to be in your life. If you can say no to money and no to women, you will actually become a real man. But that's not something which you will want to do, because you know people like money and women. But at least at what cost? By becoming a dog? I don't think so. Don't become a dog for money and for women. Become a man, money and women will follow you. Are we done? Oh, you got some templates. We're almost done. So you have seen, I guess, you're gonna You are going to create these websites, and after that you are on your own. What are you going to get from these websites? How will you market them? How will you sell them? What you will do with these things? It's entirely up to you. Okay, so the software is going to create these templates and websites for you. We are all done. Okay, now let's get to the bottom here, and we will have some questions which will not make sense to me at all. 30-day money back guarantee. You will not get any single penny back if you buy this. I'm giving you a disclaimer here. If you buy the software and later on you want the refund, you will not get it. Is AI WebCore hosted on the cloud? Yes. What are the reviews of AI WebCore? 0. What is the monthly costs? No monthly cost. It's one time $17. I'm a beginner. Yeah. Training support, don't expect. Alright, cool. So we are done with the demo video on the sales page. Now let's talk about the OTOs, okay? And after that, in the end, I'll show you how you will make real money without all this nonsense. Because these things comes on Warrior Plus, and anything $17, don't expect. If something is $17 was supposed to make you money, then just stop it, okay? Just be real to yourself for at least once in your life. Nothing is $17 is gonna make you a single penny. Nothing means nothing. Otherwise, everyone would have been making money online. Everybody can afford 17 bucks. Okay, so get back to your senses. These things, AI shit and all that, these things will come, these things will go, and these things will come back again, because they have to sell you this for them to keep making money. Okay, again, the software does create those sales page websites and all that, and if you can use them, go and buy this if you want to. And there are some OTOs right here. So this is the funnel which is described here. So this is front end, 100 done for you, website pages, blogs, 100 domains, add 100 domains. Okay, cool. OTO 1 is this, OTO 2 is this, 3 is this, 4 is this, 5 is this, 6 is this. I'm done. So yeah, if you think you want to create these websites, then no problem, go and buy this in $17 and try your luck and see if the software actually even works. Okay. And if your whole purpose, whole soul and goal is only to make money on the internet, then avoid all this madness. This will lead you to nowhere. Okay, even let's be positive and let's say yes, this AI WebCore is a very good software and it's going to create websites for you. Then where are you heading? Let's say you have created the websites, then what is next? Where are you going after this? You're going to sell those websites. How would you sell? You will have to maybe create a profile on fiverr.com, upwork.com, and you want to turn yourself into some kind of freelancer. Ask yourself, is that what you are willing to do? Are you willing to become a freelancer? Is that what you came here for? I don't think so. So do something meaningful, okay? Don't get diverted from the actual concepts of making money online. It's quite simple, plus minus, you sell. If somebody else will buy from you, you will make money. You buy this from me, I make money, you make nothing. Tomorrow you sell this to somebody, that somebody makes nothing and you make money. Other people who are giving you bonuses in their YouTube videos, you buy from them, they make money, you make nothing. So these things, as I said, they will come and go and they will not make you money. But again, if you have any other ideas in your mind and if you need the software, no problem, go and buy from me, make me some money. And then here we have the methods which I personally use to make money online. Okay, so first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now forex trading is this thing, I'll explain that in a moment. And then we have this make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making videos on YouTube like me. Okay, so in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, which you will not, but you can click on support thanks. It's part of my job to say all this. And yeah, so subscribe, like, it's all free. You can do the free ones. Okay, subscribe this button, it's free, and like, it's free. Okay, and if you want to make real money online just like I make my money, then watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those 2 videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits. Okay, when the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually. Okay, both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me. Okay, so choose whatever suits your situation. Okay, in the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.